Welcome back, everyone, to Become Six Figures, the channel dedicated to helping everyone make $100,000 or more a year, every year from here on out. Today, we're going to do a simple, quick video on what is earnings season in the stock market, also known as 10x season by hedge funds and some investors, because it's normally where they make their most money in the stock market during earnings season. As always, please like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So what exactly is earnings season? Simple definition: it's the time period where publicly traded companies release their quarterly earnings to the general public. Now, it usually happens in the weeks of January, April, July, and October. And that's because the fiscal quarter ends the month prior to those. Now, the easiest way to find out which companies are announcing on which date is to check out earningswhisperers.com. No affiliation, just one of my favorite sites to make money on. And talking about making money, that's why you're all here. Let's talk about the profit strategies to use. First and foremost, always do research before investing. You should be comfortable with the company that you're about to spend money on, and you should feel good about whether or not you know if that stock's going to pop and go up or it's going to drop and go down. So do your research. Check out what other stock analysts are saying about that company prior to the announcement of their earnings report. Now, if you're expecting good earnings, you can do one of two things. You can buy the stock outright the day prior to the report is announced. Remember, stocks have two reporting times, either before the market opens or after the market closes. So if a stock's going to announce after the market closes, you kind of sort of have the entire day to decide if you want to go ahead and jump in on the stock before the market closes, and then essentially they announce their earnings report. So the second thing you can do is also buy the call option that's expiring that week. Now, a call option is essentially a gamble or a legitimate bet that you believe the stock's going to go up. And we're not talking about long-term investments. We're talking about picking up a stock or the option for a few days and then selling them off. So if you think the stock's going to go up 5-10%, go ahead and buy the call option. The call option is going to be cheaper, and it could be more profitable if you actually hit and that stock does shoot up. Now, if you're expecting a bad earnings report, here's the way to make money if the stock goes down. Go ahead and buy the put option that's expiring that week. Now, a put option is just the opposite of a call option. You're gambling that the stock's going to actually go down, which oftentimes stocks do go down, and sometimes if the stock does drop, it's a larger profit potential than if the stock actually went up. So go ahead and pick up the put option, and that's how you make money if the stock has a bad earnings report. Now, remember, when you're doing your research, check out the meme stocks, stocks like Bed Bath & Beyond, Nokia, AMC. These stocks tend to pop really big either way, going up or going down, because that Wall Street bets crew is essentially pumping that stock to go in that direction. Now, you're on your way. Congratulations, as always. If you have any questions, put them down below. And until next video, I truly hope you become six figures.